Wake up, stretch out, shake my paws, blink 3 times, retract my claws. Sun peeks in, I flick my tail. Time for coffee, can't be frail. Tiptoe cross the countertop, mug is waiting, steam on top. One deep sniff, my whiskers twitch. Oh, this day will be so rich. Tiny cat, tiny paws, sipping coffee, no applause. One small gulp, now I zoom, bounce off walls around the room. Morning ritual, gotta be a caffeine catastrophe. Lick, no froth, my eyes go wide. Tail's gone poofy, can't subside. Bounce off chairs, up the drapes. No one's safe, no escape. Laughed too much, now I regret. Tiny heartbeat, faster yet. Zoomies hit a lightning speed, but I still need one more feed. Tiny cat, tiny paws, sipping coffee, no applause. One small gulp, now I zoom.